Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making ham and cheese sliders. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 1 package of Hawaiian Sweet Rolls, 10 to 12 slices of ham, 6 slices of Swiss cheese, 1/2 cup of butter, 1/4 cup of horseradish, 1½ teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 onion, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of spicy brown mustard, and 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds. Cut your rolls in half, then set them aside until later. Using medium heat. In a frying pan, bring 2 tablespoons of butter to temperature. Add the onions and cook on medium heat for 10 minutes or until they are golden brown. Remove them from the pan, then set them aside until later. Add the remaining butter to the frying pan. Now add the Worcestershire sauce, brown sugar, and mustard and mix until well combined. Remove it from the heat and set it aside until later. Place the bottom half of your Hawaiian rolls in a baking dish, then spread with a thin layer of the horseradish sauce. Next, add the ham and then the cheese. Add the onions, then top with the other half of the rolls. Pour the butter mixture on top and evenly spread. Sprinkle the poppy seeds on top, then refrigerate for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, remove them from the refrigerator, then allow them to sit for 10 minutes before placing them in the oven. Now cover with tin foil, then transfer to the preheated oven and allow them to cook for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, remove the aluminum foil and allow them to continue to cook for another 10 minutes or until your rolls are toasted. These ham and cheese sliders make for a tasty appetizer and a great game day snack. I hope you give them a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grab